guys, it's Jamie here with my channel Reviews by Jamie. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I have such a fun haul because it's under $50 and I got clothes for myself and for my toddler son who is 3 years old. So what more can you ask for? And I have some really good brands to show you like Gap, Adidas, stuff like that. I'm working with swap.com on this video because I love affordable clothes, not only for myself, but especially for my son because he grows out of them so quickly. So swap.com is headquartered in Chicago. They have over 2 million items of clothing, so that's a ton. You have a really big selection. So I really want to show you what I picked out. So I got a $50 credit to pick out whatever I wanted to. And it was really hard because they had such a big selection and everything looked so good. The prices were amazing, so I got a lot for $50. So actually the shirt I'm wearing right now is from swap.com. I picked it out. It is from the Gap originally, and it has that kind of gray heathered look and this kind of off-white. I like the little buttons here and the neckline is really cute. So this shirt was the most expensive thing I got and it had the original tags on it. It was $13, but I thought that was a really good deal and I'm really into this shirt because you can pair it with scarves and all different kinds of things. So I have a really good coupon code that they gave me for you guys to use. If you use my code Jamie40, you get 40% off your order plus free shipping over $10. So that's an amazing deal because the prices are already really low. Like some of the things I got were $3, $5. There's another $3 one. So go check it out because you can save a ton. And there are things with the tags still on them. A few things that I got had the tags on them, so that was pretty exciting. So the next thing I got for me is a maxi skirt. So this skirt was $9. It's another Gap one. I love maxi skirts. I didn't have any this summer. I love maxi skirts. You can throw them on. You don't have to shave your legs in the summer. You can wear like any kind of shoe with them, a flat, a wedge. The length was perfect for me, and that's kind of why I did a Gap one. They had all different kinds and all different brands of maxi skirts, but the Gap ones usually fit me well, so I knew that, so I thought, okay, this is perfect. It's in amazing shape. It looks brand new. The tag isn't on it, but it looks totally brand new, and so does this. So you would really never know. So those are the only things I got for myself, and I didn't even plan to do that, but I couldn't stop looking at all the toddler boy clothes because they had so many and all the brands that I like, so I couldn't help myself. You know, you have to get stuff for your kids. There's like a meme out there where like, you know, why do I look how I look and my kid looks like some like Gap model? And I totally feel like that sometimes because, you know, I love getting him stuff and you just can't help yourself. So here is what I got for him. Oh, and everything came wrapped like in these clear plastic bags. Everything was folded so nicely. I even ordered from a different email address. I like to do that sometimes just to kind of check on things a little bit. And so they didn't know it was my order, and everything was packaged really nice. It was packaged like it was brand new stuff. So this is a hat I got him. This still has the tag on it. It's Old Navy, and this tag says $14.94. I got this hat for $5. So really good deal. As you know, I love this color, and especially on my son, I just think it's this cool, like kind of hipster look, and if he wears black and white with it, it's really cool. It fit him perfectly. At first he didn't want to try it on, and I was like, please just wear it. So I got him to wear it, and then he didn't want to take it off. Everything I took out of the packaging because I had to look at everything when I got it. So this shirt is from Old Navy, and I'm pretty sure this was $3. Yes, this was $3, and I got it in a little size up because I kind of wanted to have it for him. He's usually in a 3T, but I got 4T for him. And the funny thing is, I saw this shirt last year, I think it was, and I wanted it for him, but me and my husband were like, no, we shouldn't get him any more clothes. I was really mad that I didn't get this because it was so cute. So when I saw it on there, I thought, this is so perfect. I love that color and the baseball sleeves. And again, it looks totally brand new. It might be, no, I don't know, it's totally brand new looking. So the next thing I got him is another really cute shirt. This is Old Navy too. I believe this was $3 also, and another baseball sleeve. I love this blue color, this like kind of royal blue. The next thing I got him I thought was a really good find, but they had a bunch of Adidas stuff if you like that stuff for your kids or other brands. They just have a ton of it. And these were $10. So $10, and they're in perfect condition and super cute. I really like them. They had some more Adidas shorts, but I was like, okay, just get one, and that's all you need. So really cute. I can't wait for him to wear these in the summer. I sized up a little bit for these because I knew that I wanted them for summer for him, and they better fit. And then the last thing, I wanted a cardigan for him because I have a cardigan, but it's like one size too small. It kind of fits him, but not totally. So I thought, okay, now is a really good opportunity to get him a new cardigan. And this is Genuine Kids from Oshkosh. And this was $8. This was $8. And this material is so nice. It's like a lightweight one. I can totally picture him wearing this in the springtime, but he could even wear it now because you wear a shirt under. But he could wear it in the spring with a t-shirt, and I love the colors of it. It's super, super cute. So I love that. So that's everything I got. A couple things for me, a bunch for my son, stuff that we're gonna wear a lot. So I'm really excited about that. And then for $50 worth of clothes, that's just amazing. You can go to a store and buy a shirt for $50, or you can buy all this stuff. I'm all about saving money, and we don't have a lot in our budget to be spending on clothes. You know, we have a business because of a case, and everything just goes back to that business. We put everything into that. So we haven't had a lot of extra money to spend, and just being a mom, you spend a lot of money on all kinds of things. So it's really, really nice and exciting to be able to have a place like swap.com where you can buy all the cool clothes and all the good name brands and stuff, but you're not spending a lot. So I really hope you guys take advantage of my coupon code for 40% off, because you're gonna get things for like $2 when you shop on there, and you know, really, really other good deals. So use my code, it's Jamie40, you get 40% off, and you get free shipping over $10. So even if you get one thing, one or two things, and you get free shipping on it, that's an amazing deal. So I'll definitely be checking out swap.com again more for summer clothes for me and for my son, and maybe my husband too, because he could definitely use some new things. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item I got was, what you thought was like the cutest or best deal ever. Thank you again. Bye! That time you're old so your elbow cracks when you wave. Yep.